Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to solve a ratio problem using a bar diagram. So I'll be solving question number 1 and question number 4. In question 1 it says that a survey showed that 5 out of 6 students own a pet. So the ratio you have here is 5 out of 6. Based on this result, how many of the 900 students in a school own a pet? So here 900 is going to be down next to the 6 because both are referring to the total number of students. I will draw a bar diagram and I will divide it into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I will shade out 5 parts. Now I will divide this 900 over the 6 parts because I need to know the value of each part of the 6 that I have. So it will be 150, 150. Each part is equals to 150. So in order to know the 5 parts, I'll be adding these, or I just multiply 150 by 5. For number 4, it says that in the school band there is 1 boy. So boys is 1 for every 5 girls. Girls is 5. Here is the ratio. There is a total of 12 boys, so the 12 will be added up next to the 1. I will draw a bar diagram and I will divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will shade 1 to show the ratio of 1 over 5. This 12 is referring to the 1, so this part, the only part I have here, equals to 12. Accordingly, the rest equal to 12. So if I want to know the value of the 5 parts, I'll be adding all the 12s I have here, or just make 12 multiplied by 5. Again, another example, but not from the homework. If I know that the ratio of those who love cats to those who love dogs is 2 to 3. This is a part to part. These are for cats, and this number for those who love dogs. And I know that those who love cats, actually, the number of students is 18. So this is the ratio and this is the number of students. I'll be drawing a bar diagram. I'll divide it into 3 parts and I will shade 2 to show the ratio of 2 to 3. The 18 is referring to the 2. So I'll divide 18 over 2. So it's 9. So it means that each of these 2 parts equal to 9. If these are 9, then the third is 9 as well. So if I want to know the value of the 3 parts, then it's 9 multiplied by 3, or 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals to 27. And that's it.